One of the great things about Screencast-O-Matic is that you can actually record straight from their website. In other words, you don't need to download any software to your computer at all. It's completely free. So if you go to screencast-O-Matic.com and then click on this button here, you can just start recording. You'll notice that it starts the screen recorder, it loads it up, and then you get this thing on your screen, this black and white dotted line, which is our viewing or recording area, or our selection area. And you'll notice that there are some options down here in the bottom left hand corner, and we'll have a look at those just quickly now. But in order to make this a little bit easier to see, I'm just going to minimize this browser window so that all you can see now is just the desktop of my computer. So you'll notice that the screen selection area, this black and white dotted line, is a certain size, which it's currently claiming to be full HD. Now that just refers to the amount of pixels that it records. If I click on that, you can see that there are other sizes available. If you go back all the way down to 640 by 480, you'll notice that it looks rather square-like. That's the same aspect ratio of the televisions of the olden days. And as computers got a little bit more clever and a bit more advanced, we started going into other resolutions like 800 by 600 and even 1024 by 768. And now we're into the HD screen resolutions. Now, the full HD that Screencast-O-Matic supports is 720p, which gives you a selection size of what you can see on the screen right now. The current full high definition specification is actually 1080p, in other words, 1920 pixels across and 1080 pixels down. But that's probably something we don't need to go into right now. The main thing is that you need to know that everything that's happening inside this area here is what's going to be recorded.